Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add estimated delivery dates to your Shopify product pages. This is useful because customers usually want to know when their order will arrive before they buy. When they see a clear delivery date on the product page, it can help them feel more sure before clicking Add to Cart. Step 1. Log in to your Shopify admin. First, go to Shopify and log in to your store admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, stay on the main admin page for a moment. This is where you can control your products, apps, online store, settings, and everything else for your Shopify store. For this tutorial, we are going to add an estimated delivery date to the product page, so customers can see something like estimated delivery 3 to 7 business days before they place an order. Step 2. Go to the Shopify App Store. Now, from your Shopify admin, look on the left side menu and click Apps. After that, click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Estimated Delivery Date. You will see different apps that can show delivery dates on your product pages. Choose one that fits what you need. You can pick a free app or an app with a free plan, especially if you are just starting and you do not want to spend money yet. Once you find the app you want, click it, then click Install. Step 3. Open the Delivery Date app. After the app is installed, open it from your Shopify admin. Most delivery date apps will ask where you want to show the delivery message. Choose Product Page. This means the delivery date will show directly on your product pages, usually near the product price, Add to Cart button, or product details. Now, look for the part where you can set the delivery time. For example, you can set it to show 3 to 7 business days, 5 to 10 days, or any delivery time that matches how your store ships orders. Step 4. Set your delivery message. Next, create the message that customers will see. You can write something simple like estimated delivery 3 to 7 business days. Or you can write order today and receive it between 3 to 7 business days. Keep the message short and clear. Do not make it confusing. The goal is to help customers quickly understand when they may receive the product. If the app lets you change the design, you can adjust the text size, position, and style. Keep it clean, easy to read, and close to the Add to Cart button so customers can see it before buying. You can just edit the delivery date when needed. For example, if orders are delayed during a holiday season, you can change the delivery time from 3 to 7 business days to 7 to 12 business days. This keeps your store honest and helps avoid customer complaints. It is better to show a clear delivery time before the order than to explain a delay after the customer already paid. And that's how you add estimated delivery dates to your Shopify product pages. Now, customers can see when their order may arrive before they buy, and this can make your product page feel more helpful and clear. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.